All right, we're out here with Lance Baldwin at RT Baldwin, and I've known him for quite a while. How's it going, Lance?
Good, Mark. How are you?
Good, good. So we wanted to come out and do a little community spotlight. I refer Lance all the time for flooring, and we thought, hey, let's come out, check out his showroom, which is a brand new, nice showroom, by the way.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah, so tell us about how long you've been in the business and a little bit of the history.
Yeah, so the RT Baldwin is, my mother and father started the company about 30 years ago in Higgins Lake, northern Michigan. And as a young boy, I learned how to do wood floors through my dad. I then graduated high school, went to Saginaw Valley for 2 years, and basically started the company kind of on a commercial end and a residential end on that side of the state, and got to a point where I said, I want to check out Grand Rapids. So came here early 2003 and started the business here in Grand Rapids in 2003. So
perfect. Yeah, you guys have done our flooring in our house. We love it.
Yeah. Thank you.
It looks like one of these. I was like, is this ours? Is this ours?
Yeah.
It looks real similar.
These are all custom lines that we have.
Yeah. So let's talk about that. So you have custom lines, which are here behind us. You've got you can do super custom, which basically you were mentioning earlier. People can take 3 or 4 different blends of something they're thinking, then you can create it.
Correct. Yep. Yeah. So if you came in and you said, you know, I really like an oak floor, I like a 5-inch, but I want it to be a 5/8 engineered, or I want it to be a smoked or a fumed floor, or even a wire brushed or a bandsaw texture, whatever it may be, we can do that. So you don't necessarily have to go through a catalog and find the exact floor that you want. You can pick multiple choices, and then we can kind of create that custom floor for you for your home.
And you guys do like the staircases, you match everything up?
We do. So we create the treads. So the tread is what you walk on. So the treads, the risers, the newels, the handrails, spindles, we can basically create that whole staircase around that wood floor, because most of the time the treads, the staircase all match or play off that wood floor. So when we're working with designers, it works really well for them to come in here. They pick out the wood floor, then they can start looking at, you know, the millwork and the staircase part of the job as well.
Sounds good. Yeah, and you still have some of the pre-manufactured stuff if somebody wants to just pick the normal line.
Yeah, so we can we don't carry every line here. Our showroom would need to be 40,000 square feet. Right. I wouldn't be objective to that, but we don't carry every line here, but we have the ability to buy every manufactured or solid wood floor. So we have the buying power to do that. If we don't have it as a displaying dealer, we can get our hands on it if you were to come to us with an exact floor that maybe you've seen in someone's home, you loved it, there's nothing you want to change, then we would recommend we would just purchase that floor and not have to recreate the wheel.
Okay, and you guys do the flooring, you do the install, you do everything.
We do, yeah. So you basically would come in here, if you have a design idea, you would pick out a floor. We would then price it accordingly. We would do the install. If it was a refinish and you have an existing home, we would take and refinish your wood floor. You know, site stain and finish. And if it's a bench top or a pre-finish, we do it here and then install. And then same thing with the staircase. We build the staircase here and get all the parts and pieces, and then go out to your project and assemble it.
Sounds good. Yeah, I forgot about the refinish, and we have a lot of that in real estate.
Yes, we do.
A lot of the refinish and things like that. So very cool.
Yep.
Well, yeah, I just wanted to grab a few minutes with you.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
Yeah, and you're located in Hudsonville. We're right in Hudsonville.
We
off of
3413 Quincy. We're right off Quincy Street, right behind the new Meijer. So again, it's a new location. It'll be 4 years this year that we've been in this building. This whole area, I think they're just developing. It's all pretty much brand new right here. So we feel very blessed, and we love our building and love the relationships that we get to build with customers.
Yeah, he does a great job. If they want to get a hold of you, what's the office number? And
office number is 669-1626, and you can call here, and we've got a full sales staff. All of our employees are employed by us too. They're not subcontractors, so full sales staff. We've got some design girls that can help here too. Basically we can fulfill any of your hardwood flooring or staircase needs.
All right, well, that's Lance Baldwin. Thanks for spending some time with us.
Absolutely. Hey, thanks, Mark. Appreciate you coming out.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
See ya.
Yep.